ngifuna sikhulume ngesizukulwane esilahlekileyo.
A generation that is lost.
Because enye yezinto esihluphayo ekukholweni
The things troubling us in this journey,
bayalahleka abantu
people
bekhonza.
are lost while they are in the church.
Ningizwele bazalwane? Balahleka benjani?
They are lost even while they are
Bekhonza.
saved.
So ke ngifuna sibuye njena.
And what
Uma
is-
bezolahleka
if they are lost,
balahlwa ukuthi
they are being misplaced.
bafuna izinto abangazi zitholwa kanjani.
Not sure how they are supposed to receive.
Abantu abaningi balithanda uqobo.
Many people like the anointing.
Abantu abaningi bawathanda
Many
amandla.
people like power.
Abantu abaningi bayithanda
Many
imangaliso.
people like miracles.
Kodwa bazi
But
zitholwa
they don't know
kanjani.
how to receive them.
uJesu ke wahamba nabafundi
Jesus
bakhe
went with his servants,
bebheke kwaJayiru.
with his disciples to Jairus.
Uma besendleleni kuthiwa uJesu wathintwa isifazane wayinoqhobo.
Touched the woman that suffered from leprosy.
Wama uJesu wathi khona ungithintile la.
And she said, somebody touched me.
Kuthiwa abafundi bakhe bathi
And he said,
isixuku
his disciples
sikuminyanisile.
said,
Sibaningi
there
siyakuthinta.
are so many of us
Kodwa
touching you,
uJesu uthi
Lord.
lo ngithintile.
Jesus said,
Ugqeke izindlu yamandla.
And they have touched
Because
my house of
kuyenzeka
God. Things
sihambe
that
nomuntu
happen, we walk
kaNkulunkulu.
with the man of God.
Kuyenzeka sihambe nomuntu
It happens that
kaNkulunkulu.
we walk with the person of
Sonke
God.
sikontaktane naye. Kodwa kube khona abantu mabehlangane naye.
That come in contact
Kusala into ethile kubo.
gets left behind.
Kube khona abathintana
And there
naye.
are those who come in
Kungasali lutho.
and nothing gets
Manje ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi wenze njani. Ukufuna ukuhlangana nomuntu kaNkulunkulu.
sits with the person of God
Usale nento ethile.
and something gets left
Asibambeke
with
bazalwane
him.
siyathandaza ngoba ngiyabona kumakhansi sengele
Let us
ngafuthi manje.
continue and proceed to.
Yazi bengithi ngiyakhodola kuyashisa la.
I thought I was feeling cold, but it's actually very hot.